Hi, and welcome back. I wanted to give you a little bit of guidance for your first response paper that's due this term. Uh, to start, we're going to go into content. Then we're going to go to the course support module where you'll find the tips documents. Make sure that before you do your first assignment, you read the response tips document. It gives my expectations for the response type assignments, which are about every other week. And it gives you detailed expectations about the idea of a thesis, where you have a point that you're trying to make, and you do your best to convey that. Response papers are just that. They're your response to some material. I don't expect you to do a lot of research on these. They're not like the mini paper. They don't require citations. They're also a little bit shorter. I'm looking for 1.5 to 2 pages, and you're going to find it challenging to actually fit it within there, but that's what I'm looking for. 1.5 to 2 pages, double spaced, and please submit all your assignments in either Word or PDF format. I cannot open Pages documents at work. And I know a lot of you have Macintoshes, and that's the native word processor in there. But please do a save as either Word or PDF when you're done. There is an alternative format this year, however, and that is to record a video. When you get to the assignment Dropbox, which I'll show you here in a second, there's an option to record a video. And I would like it, if you're going to do this, I would like you to do a video and not an audio recording. And make it sort of professional and presentable. The idea here is not to make this more informal. The idea is that if you are more comfortable giving your response in a verbal form rather than written, I'm willing to do that for the response paper assignments. Just prepare your comments ahead of time, and I'm looking for something that is between 1 and 2 minutes in length if you're going to do it verbally. You're welcome to use notes, but please don't just read the paper, because if you're going to do that, you might as well just do a little editing and hand in a paper. Just give us a little talk. It doesn't have to be a presentation. There doesn't need to be any PowerPoint or anything like that. Just give us a little speech. I know that a lot of you are more comfortable nowadays with recording videos for YouTube and things like that. And so this is for you. Let's take a look at your first assignment, which you can find under the Assignments tab. Before we get there, let's look under Content again here, but this time let's click on Course Map. The first thing you're going to want to do is work your way through week 1. And so there's an overview, and then there's a video on the management mistakes. That's really important that you watch that. Then there's Common Managerials, a web page, and then there's the assignment itself. And you can always just get to the assignment right straight from the week 1 course map. Or you can go up under Assignments and find it there, all the assignments listed out, and you can see Common Managerial Errors is listed there. Whether you click on it in Content or you click on it in the Assignments tab, it takes you to the same place, which is right here. And there is a detailed what I want for this assignment. Again, even though it says write approximately 1.5 to 2 pages, you do have the option of recording a video on this one, and to do that you just click on the Record Video button and off you go. If you have a laptop with a camera in it, it should work fine right out of the box here, and you're welcome to submit your assignment in that format. So again, this is worth 5 points, and it is a shorter assignment than the mini papers. You'll have your first mini paper next week, and I'll try and produce another video about that. But it's this is just your response, and in this case what you're doing is you're providing an example of when you saw one of the managerial errors at work in the workplace, and it's one of those managerial errors that I talk about in the video. Is what I'm after there. And again, you can find that all under week 1 under content right here, or you can find the assignment under assignments. That's it. Good luck, and I'll look forward to reading your assignments.